Hi everyone, welcome back to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I have something brand new to show you. Yes, fall it's coming, winter it's coming, and we will need with you a lip balm. I have for you 10 brand new lip balm from MAC. I want you to see these colors very close. This is its brand new MAC Glow Play Tendertalk Lip Balm. They have pH activate tint. They are 24-hour hydration. They feel so balmy, creamy and rich, and I love how they smell. I have for you 10 colors. I can't wait for you to see these colors on my lips, and of course I will swatch for you. It's a very beautiful formula. I don't know what ingredients they use, but they smell so good. I know it's 91 natural delivered ingredients here. It have jojoba seed and sunflower oil, and of course every balm have a shea butter, right? Let's start with first color. It's 457 favorite. And it's kind of remind me Christian Dior lip balm. Let's try. I know Christian Dior have, I'll say, little bit lip stain power. I'm really interested in this color will give me lip stain or not. This is color 457, and I just apply this color on the bottom, and I actually see a difference. Let me know if you can see this difference or not, but my lips definitely looks little bit more pinky, little bit, I will say, more pretty. It just, I will say, enhance my lip color. Very pretty. I knew my daughter will like this lip color. It's like makeup no makeup look. And you know what, I have very minimal makeup today. Let me know, do you like this look or not? Love you more than ice cream. But let's continue. This is its second colors, and its name Oops. Oh my god, it's really orange color, but I think this is color gonna be really sheer with little bit orange undertone. But compared to first color, I can tell it's a huge difference here, right? So far it is very pretty. It's have a very slightly orange undertone color. It's not too bright, but you know what, usually lip balms, they are pretty sheer. It's your sheer lip balm with orange undertone. Let's continue. Let's try color 456 Introvert. Wow, if you look at this color, it is, I will say, nude beige, but on my lips it's giving me nice, beautiful, I will say, pinky color. I think I forgot to mention this product you not can use on your lips. You can use this as a blush. Yes, it's right. This is color Introvert. Very pretty. Again, I love this color. I have a beauty blender. Let's add this color to a beauty blender, and let's try this product on my cheek. Wow, look at this color. Oh my god, it looks totally different. Again, it's a little bit more pinky. I love how this lip balm and blush sits on my cheek. I love it. Next color, it's 460. It's a beautiful red color. If you're scared to use a rich, brighter, I will say, screaming red color, try this one. Wow, I really like this soft red lip color. I look like a diva. I feel like a diva. It looks so classy and elegant on me. What do you think? Comments below. Give me a like. I need your support. Love you more than ice cream, and let's continue. This is color 459 and I'm gonna compare to color Oops. Remember I try and say it's very orange color Oops, but now let me show you these two color together, and I think this little bit have more coral and this one I will say more yellowy orange color, right? I need to try this 459 color. I applied so many times because I want you to see a color. It is very pretty, it's very soft, I'm smiling, I'm happy, I like it. I tried so many lip balm colors already, but you know what? Let's compare to really famous. I have a sample of lip glaze from YSL. $25, it's balm from MAC. $45, it's YSL. YSL, actually, I will say it's a lip gloss, lip balm, have little bit more strong flavor, little bit have a more taste than MAC. Also, MAC, it is balm. It's little bit less. Also, it's not. Excuse me, let me put together my brain. Okay, it's a little bit more harder formula than YSL lip glaze. Lip glaze, it's softer. Which one do I prefer? I prefer actually MAC for price, for ingredients, and I really not happy with lip glaze because it have a very strong perfume taste. But I know my girls, they actually buy YSL lip glaze for this reason. We all different. I like this color, you like another color. You make decision which one you want. I choose MAC because I feel it's a little bit better. This is color 462 and I feel finally one lip balm is definitely look different than everything what I try for you. I think I will say it's a deeper, plummy undertone lip balm. Oh, I really like. You know what? Let's try on this color on my cheek. Oh my god, it looks like a magenta color. What do you think? Wow, this is so pretty. It's a perfect color for fall. Color 458. I feel like we already having this collection red color, but it's your rosy red color. Wow, I really like this color. It's 458. All I can say, it's very lovely color. Next color, it's 465. Color 465, it's a beautiful, sexy pink color. Color Vibe 464, oh my god, it's so, I will say, lavender. Purpley lavender color. This colors is really hot. But you know what? I already know this color. Don't be scared. It's gonna look very pretty and soft. I'll say pinky undertone lip balm. I love it. Can you see? It's not purple, it's not a lavender, it's like a little bit lavender pink color. I really like, it's fun. Color 463, it's a beautiful raspberry color. Oh my god, I need to try this. Wow, I do like this color. It's perfect for summer. It's perfect for now. But you know what? Wait a minute. I want to show you something else to you. Remember, I swatch color 462 and it's a pretty bright magenta color, but I want you to see how this lip product give you a lip stain, not just on my lips, it's also, I can see it's on my wrist color, it's here. All these lip balms have a little bit lip stain. What it means, even if it's this color is gone, you're gonna still have little bit color. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you have a fun with me. And if you are, please give me a like. It will means a lot to me. I need your support. I really want to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see you in my next video. Love you more than ice cream.